Euro against US dollar this week has lost its value. We can see the price started dropping from 1.17488. The price has dropped down on a Monday, reaching a support level 1.15. Not bouncing, not retracing from this area of support, continue to lose its value, and we can see for the next 2 days the price has gone below this area of support 1.148 and reached 1.140. This is the level where the price has stopped. We can see that the price has formed this small bearish pin bar right here at the support level, and then the price on a Friday reverses back up, reaching the resistance level 1.158. Weekly time frame shows us a strong bearish candle has been formed on the chart, where this candle has closed below this open and close of these two candles, which means a small support has been broken on the weekly time frame. But we can see the price is bouncing from this area of support, and also this one on the weekly time frame, which is currently bearish more oriented. Currently what we can see, but we'll see what happens in the next week. Monthly time frame has closed, and we can see the monthly candle, the previous month, has closed as a bearish candle. The bearish candle that could not go below this area of support, which is a very important one for the sellers in order to allow the price to drop even further down. But we can see the price has dropped slightly above, and currently it has bounced from this area of support, and it is currently in between this area of resistance and the support. On the monthly time frame, it's not very clear currently what the price could do. Will the price manage to go even further down, reaching this area of support 1.1300, an area here, or it will bounce and retrace back up, reaching again 1.17. This is on the monthly time frame, which is not very clear. So I will go to the weekly and also daily to see how the price behaves. Weekly time frame currently shows me a strong retrace from this area of support. So currently it is in between the resistance and the support level here. So the price could go even up and also could go even down. Where the price could go currently, it is more bearish oriented because this bearish candle that has closed the week here, where the open space is still below 1 point until the price reaches 1.148. The daily time frame currently shows me a strong bounce and retrace from this area of support, and currently it has stopped at this resistance. So currently the price has gone outside of this small bullish trend, created a small bearish trend, but this is also a very important support level, and this one here is also a very important support level where the price could not manage to go further down. So the price is stuck in between this small bearish trend and this small uptrend. So currently it is the best to stay out and wait to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and this area of support. When the price manages to make a bullish breakout going up or bearish breakout going below, then we could follow the market and enter the market. But currently it is pretty hard to determine, and it's not very clear where the market is heading. So it is the best for me at least to stay out and see how the market will react and where the buyers or sellers will make a breakout. When that breakout happens during the week, is it on a daily time frame? Is it on the 4-hour time frame or a 1 hour time frame? Feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, because inside that premium analysis I share the details with the traders inside the group. When there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, I inform them so they can also follow the market and receive the updates when there is a breakout going up or going down. Feel free to check the link below and join if you would like to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.